How to verify phone number in Lyft. If you have been using the Lyft application and wondering on how to verify your phone number, don't worry. In this video, I will show you how to do it, so let's get started. First of all, open the application. Just like this. After opening it, you will find something like this on your home screen. Now tap on to You button right here. Select it. Then tap onto your profile right here, select it. Then scroll down and here you can find your info right here, tap on it. Then here you can find your phone number, now tap on it. Now to verify this phone number, you can simply tap on to verify and the app will send a code onto your mobile phone number and simply add the code and your number will be verified. So I have already did it, that's why it is saying verified. Just right here. Now do the same process and your phone number will be verified. And that's it. This is how you can verify phone number in the Lyft app. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.